Hello everybody, so this video is about the washing machine and how to clean the filter, because most of the people use the washing machine but never clean the filter which is on the side. So I will show you how to clean that. So this is basically a brand called LG and Turbo Drum 6.2 smart inverter washing machine, top load. As you can see, there's the interior and that's the filter. Just press it from the both side, one lever on the top and one lever on the down. Press it, and here this filter look like this. So you have to clean this filter every week if you using your washing machine every day, because many people use the washing machine but they never check the filter out. So I will just show you how filter looks after washing for like almost a week. So this is the dirt, as you can see inside, like collected. It's all the cloth lint. So just take a tweezer and pull this out. As you can see, this much, like the cloth and the dirt just like stuck inside. If you keep the filter clean, there is no problem. And take all the dirt and wash it with a brush in the pressure water, all the dirt. Otherwise you can just like take with a tweezer. Whatever you can't, just use a brush, normal brush like a toothbrush which you don't use, and you clean it. Let's wash it with water. After washing it, this look like this. So not that clean, but it is like still good. You can just like every week or within 3 days, 4 days, open it and brush it, and good to go. So this much dirt, like all the material, like the cloth material, like collected inside the filter. Let's put it back. Put it back again. Good to go. So always check your filters.